Hello everyone. Today I, Mannat Bhardwaj, along with my group members Ayush and Himanshu, are going to demonstrate how to create an EC2 instance in Amazon AWS, and we're going to also show you how to perform different functions on it. So, before starting, let's know what is EC2. So, EC2 or Elastic Cloud Compute is a service by AWS that provides scalable virtual servers to run applications in the cloud. It lets you choose different configurations like CPU, memory, storage, etc., and scale resources as needed, and you pay only for what you use. So, let's now see how to create an EC2 instance. So if you go on this AWS website, you can see this particular homepage. So we're going to click on EC2. So this particular interface appears when you click on that. So we're going to now click on instances for creating an instance. Yeah, so we're going to click here. So as you can see, this is the particular interface. Let's click on launch instance. So here you have to add all the details related to your instance. So let's add the name. So we're going to enter YouTube instance. You can choose any name that you like according to your preference. So we're going to name it YouTube instance. Yeah, right. Next, we are going to choose our operating system, different operating systems that you can choose from. So we're going to choose Ubuntu. You can choose any that you like based on your choices. Here also you can see AMIs. So there are different types of AMIs available that you can see here. So here we're going to choose this Ubuntu because it is available for free. So yeah, we're going to select that and we're going to confirm. Next we have the architecture. So we're going to choose 64-bit architecture and we're going to confirm this as well. Now we're going to select our instance type. So let's see what all we have here. So as you can see, yeah, we're not going to change anything here. Let's see what all we have. Um, T3 nano, T3 micro, T3 small, medium. Like there are many that you can choose from, many instance types that you can choose from. Okay, as you can see, there are quite a bit of them. So you can choose anyone based upon your preference. So we're going to go with T3 micro only as it is the basic one and like it's freely available. So now we're going to create a new key pair. So we're going to enter the name. So let's go for YouTube here also. You can choose anyone. And yeah, we're going to select a file format. We're going to use the PPK file format. So YouTube CC, yeah, right. CC is for cloud computing. Like that's just a name. You can choose any name that you like. So we have created that. Next, we have network settings that we're going to keep the same. We're not going to change anything there. And we have a storage configuration that also we're going to keep same. So you can see the summary. You can view all the data that you entered. You can just cross check everything before launching your instance. So once you're satisfied, then you will launch your instance. So we're going to click there. Yeah, it takes 2 to 3 seconds. So you can just wait. Yeah, so here our instance has been created. Let's view it now. So it has not appeared yet. So we're going to wait for a few seconds. We're going to refresh. Yeah. So here you can see that the instance that we created is now visible. YouTube instance. You can see all the details related to it. Instance ID, instance state, type, status checks, alarm status, availability zones, etc. Everything you can view here about your instance. So now we have to wait for the status checks to pass. There are total 3 status checks that need to be passed in order to view the instance. So that status check takes quite a bit of time. You have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes. So we're going to wait. So like it takes like 2 to 3 minutes. So we're going to keep refreshing after every 30 or 40 seconds. So you can see when the status check has been passed. You have to be patient here. It takes a bit of time, so you have to just wait and keep refreshing after every like 30-40 seconds or so, however you like it. So yeah, here the statistic has been passed. Now, if you click on this checkbox, here you can see all the details related to your instance, the instance ID, the public and private IPv4 addresses, instance state that is running. We have it is currently running. So yeah, scroll down, you can see everything, all the status and alarms, the monitoring status, everything you can check here. So as you can see, everything you can check whatever you want to. So with this, our instance has been created. Now I would like to pass on the bait to my group member, Ayush. Thank you.
Thank you, Manat. So this is Ayush. Now I'm going to talk about Amazon S3. So Amazon S3's Simple Storage Service is a scalable cloud storage solution by AWS, offering 99.99% durability. It stores data as objects in buckets with multiple storage classes like standard, infrequent access, and glacier for various needs. S3 ensures secure access with encryption and IAM controls. When it's pay-as-you-go model, it makes it cost-effective. It's widely used for backups, data lakes, and content delivery. So now we're going to create three buckets. It's a task. So let's start with searching S3. Yes. Select S3 from here. Select S3 from here. Yes. So we'll go on a create bucket. Yeah, we will not type our bucket name. So we are our group name is Super King. So we're gonna type here Super Super Kings bucket one. Yes. Now we confirms. Yes. Yes. Click on create bucket. Yes. Bucket again. Oh, it's showing some errors. We can't use uppercase letters. So I will change it. We'll go some lowercase. Yes. Type it. Now we're gonna create bucket again. Create on create bucket. Yes. Now we'll just make some changes here. Now we'll create buckets. Yes. One minute. Yes, so bucket rule because showing error. Okay. So we'll remove this and add hyphens. Yeah, now it's correct. Now we'll create bucket. So yeah, mm, yeah, our first bucket is created. Now we have to create two more buckets. So now we'll use the same name here. Super Kings bucket 2. Yes. So now we'll see with the data. Yeah, it's all correct. Yeah, that's all correct. Yeah. Now we'll create another bucket. Yes. So yes, now it's under bucket is created. Now we'll create a third bucket. Again, we go with the same name. Super Kings. Yes. Create this bucket too. So now, yes, we'll click on bucket one, and now we will upload some files here. So let's wait. Yeah, we'll go on add files. Yes. Select one Wipro and one Zeal let's not select Wipro, let not select Z, select stock metadata. Yes, so we'll select these files, then we'll go on upload. Yes, so it'll take a few seconds time. Yeah, it's done. Our data is uploaded, our file is uploaded in Super Bucket 1, Super Kings Bucket 1. So we'll now check Super Kings Bucket 1. Yeah, as we can see, there are two files here, as we have uploaded two files. Now we're gonna check bucket 2. There are no files there because we have not uploaded anything here. Now we're gonna go on bucket 3. There is no file as such now. So this is all we need to do. Now I would like to call Himanshu for further proceedings.
Okay, thank you, Ayush. I'll now start with the connection part, which is among our last tasks. We'll be connecting our EC2 instance with the bucket and we'll be trying to control it. Fine, we'll select our YouTube instance and we'll have to provide it with a role. For that, we'll have to use the IAM. We'll search for IAM in our search box. IAM. Yeah, and we'll tap on roles. And there is full access roles already created. We'll use this. Okay. Now we'll have to enable it. So we'll go to actions and tap on security and modify IAM role. We'll choose our IAM role. The name of our IAM role is full access. Okay, yeah, full access. Update IAM role. Cool. So our IAM role is updated now. Now connect our EC2 instance. Okay, connect. Fine. So this opens for us a terminal by which will establish our connection. Yeah. So we used Ubuntu, so a Ubuntu terminal is present. We'll type in our command AWS S3 ls. ls is to list all the buckets. Okay, AWS is not installed. Okay, I'll just copy paste it and install it. Sudo snap install it. No, it is not taking copy paste. I'll have to type it. Okay. Sudo snap install. Okay. Okay. Fine. Installed. Great. Now again, I'll try AWS S3 ls, and this will show us the list of our three buckets that we had previously created. Okay, so we had data in our bucket 1, so we'll go to bucket 1 to see the objects inside bucket 1. Hold on, / bookings bucket 1. Okay, installed again. Just a minute. Okay, I missed out the S3. Fine. Sorry again, S3, fine. They should show our objects inside bucket 1. Yeah, so we had uploaded two files, Wipro and stock metadata, both in CSV format. We can see them. ls-l is not working. Okay, fine. We'll add a new file now. We'll use echo for it. As per our task, new file should contain our name and our roll number. So I'll type in Himanshu Gupta. That's my name. And roll number 2229034. And we'll store it in a file named demo.txt. So arrow demo.txt. Fine. Yeah, the file is saved in the instance now. This is the part we have to understand now. ls minus l will show the data in the instance. We have not yet put it in the bucket. Yeah, so the instance has demo.txt. Now our task is to put it inside the bucket. Okay. Yeah. So we have successfully uploaded it in the bucket. We'll check our bucket one. And yeah, there we find demo.txt is added there. So our task is accomplished. Now we'll remove this file from the instance, not from the bucket. Remember, we'll be removing this file from the instance. So rm minus f demo.txt, it is removed. Now to check that, we'll do ls minus l and see demo.txt is missing. So now we'll be downloading this file from the bucket because we had saved it in the bucket. So that is the help of connection. So we'll type in our command. Our file name bucket super kings bucket one, and comes our file name. Oh, I made a typing error. Yeah, fine, this should work. Yeah, so we have successfully downloaded it from our bucket now and saved it into our instance. Now we'll check if it is here, ls minus l once again. Yeah, it is here. So we have successfully downloaded it again. So this completes all the tasks, and our last task is to terminate the instance. So first we will stop it. So instance state stop. It will take a second confirmation and stop. Fine. Stopping initiated. And lastly, we'll terminate the instance. Okay, the instance state is stopped. Fine. Now we'll terminate the instance. We'll select it and terminate. And fine. So with this, we come to the end and we have completed all the tasks. Thanks to Mannat and Ayush. Together, we made this possible. Thank you, everyone.